Today I'll show you how to change the icon from this to this. First go to the top left and change it to project. Now let's create a new image file in app, scr, res, and right click and go to new and image. Now select your image and press open. Adjust the trim to make it fit in the different icon sizes. Now let's change the background colour by selecting background layer, colour, and then we just pick the colour from the box. Now let's readjust the trim with our new colour and let's see how that goes. Yeah, I don't like that, so let's change it from a colour to an image and see how that looks. Let's do a little bit of adjustment, see how that looks, and then we'll move on. Now just click on options and shape, none, and that is it. That's now going to display it how we see on the right hand side. Now just click next and finish. Now we just need to open up Android Manifest and change this line of code to be the new icon that we've just created. Now as we go run it on our device just to see if it works, there we go, displaying beautifully.